In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery on an EATON 5110 UPS power supply. It uses a Panasonic battery, lead acid, UP VW1245P1. Remove two screws from the front bottom of the UPS and then slide the cover down. Simply disconnect the wires here and pull the battery out. You may remove the LCD component, the button component, if you need more room. In my case, I'm actually going to use the battery for an alternative project, so I'm disassembling it for a different purpose, but you don't need to do what I'm doing right here. If you're curious to see what's in the UPS, you can continue watching. Here is the battery. It's a Panasonic lead acid, and there's actually two batteries joined together.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.